Mountain, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by this channel, I urge you to go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment in the comment section. So the core essence of doing this video is just to show you how to claim rewards on Taka if you're an agent. So then how do you do that? Let me walk you through. So what you need to do is you open Taka. Okay, so now when you're in, you simply click on the tab which is in the bottom right corner, and this is what you're gonna see. So when you're here, what is it that you have to do, or where can you actually locate those commissions? So what you need to do is you simply hit task earnings. That's the tab which is after family. When you check in the top section of the white part, you see agent center, my level, store, badge, family, earning, or task earnings. You click task earnings, and boom, this window will actually open, and you'll be able to see some of the tasks. So agency level tasks or rewards. Here, this is where you need to click. That's the one which is on top. You have to click here if you've been able to level up, if you've been able to sell coins big time and you leveled up. Okay, and then you've been able to invite as many people as you can. Then these others are simply tasks that you have to do, and then you walk away with what is indicated at the far right side there. Now if you want to claim the commissions for the games that people are playing, for the agents whom you actually invited over, the people, your sub agents, and other commissions, you have to click invite reward. I hope you're able to see that daily task at the bottom there. There is a gold star. At the bottom there is invite reward. You click that. When this loads, you come here. So what you need to do is you swipe up. So when you swipe up, check out this real-time game rebate, agents rewards. You swipe up, you see where it reads game. So if the hosts under your agency have been very busy playing games and are doing all that they have to do on the app, you need to claim from here. So you can see what is available so far is 1,693. It was just of some 5 days ago that I claimed 100,000 beans. So for now there's 1,693. So all you have to do is you click collect, and this window pops up, and then you hit got it. So there is a 0 there now. So that one has gone into my beans wallet. We can now click the second tab from games tab to create a tab. Here there is 9,000. All that is coming from the hosts that I invited over to the platform. Click collect, and I walked away with that 9,000. Then the third tab is the agency tab. That one is for people who are your sub agents, the commissions that you're getting from them. So with this one you don't need to claim it, because it's actually automatically added to your wallet or to your balance. So friends, that's how we do it. If you want to become an agent on Taka Live, I would definitely leave the link that you need to click for you to become an agent. And then if you just want to become a Mia host, I will also leave the link for Mia hosts. Okay, so don't worry about that. If you want to have an interaction with me, I will leave the link that will actually lead you to my Telegram group. Once you click it, you actually go to Telegram. If you haven't yet installed Telegram, you'll be prompted to install it and set it up. Thereafter, you join my group, which is just which has the same name as the name of the channel here on YouTube. So friends, that's how we do it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and like the video.